Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh. In previous session, we already seen about the ground floor, all the spaces including corridor and entrance lobby, and also we have seen the first floor, okay, which is quite similar, typical floor similar to the ground floor. Okay, here also lift, lobby, corridor, everything we have seen in previous session. So I request you that if you have not watched my previous one, all the sessions, so go and watch. Okay, now in this session, which is quite important, we will see about this restaurant area. The area is almost 331. Okay, and in this area here, if you see, remove the section box here, this is the area where all the curtain wall is used. See, this side and up to here is curtain wall used. After that it is the basic wall. Okay, so I think you all are quite familiar about the curtain wall, which is mostly used in this era, now modern era, in offices and all the commercial building. They are using the curtain wall like glass wall. Okay, so we will see how to calculate and how to input this curtain wall inside the Hap. So let's start. Restaurant area. Okay, space and the restaurant area. Floor area is already here mentioned. Average ceiling height. Now here, see, now come here, see, here this is the ceiling, okay, and this is the floor, and after that roof is started. So if we use the free return system, then we have to include all this height, okay, from this slab level up to this slab level. But as we know here that this area is quite big, so of course we will not use the free return. Okay, otherwise we can use the free return, no issue, we can use. But this is the restaurant area, so we I'm going to use the AHU, which is quite up to the mark for this space. Okay, so I will calculate up to this ceiling level, and after that this ceiling level we will mention in the partition ceiling. Okay, because I am using the return air through the duct. Okay, through the duct, so we can do like this. Okay, it's up to you and up to the project. So what I am thinking, I am calculating all the height from here to here, all this one. After that, whatever you can use the FCO or ASU, no issue. So I am including up to here. Okay, so from here to here I know that ceiling height is 3.55. okay, so let's start. The ceiling height is 3.55 as we know, and this is like 341.5 it, or let's check in other this areas. We can simply copy this one so that building height will be similar to all the spaces. Okay, and here restaurant area, it means food servicing. So food, you can check here, food, restaurant, dining room. This is the good restaurant, dining room. Yes, and internal here. Now next is internal. So vented, and we can check our book where here, and have data for lighting. See, this is the have table, which is quite important. For spaces, where is the LPD, chapter 18 fundamental. I have to check chapter 18 and page number 10, page number 5. Okay, so come here, fundamental, come here, chapter 18, this is the page number 5. Okay, chapter 18 and page number 5. What is food area, dining area? This is the one, all these areas. Okay, yeah, so let's, so which one is maximum I can use? Okay, so in facility for visual impaired and not used primarily by staff, so this one we cannot use. Okay, I'm taking this 11.6 lounge or dining. Okay, 11.6, put here 11.6. Okay, 11.6. Now next is for equipment. We know equipment for which one, recommended heat, this table, chapter 18 also. Okay, page number 8. This is all it came. From desktop and station. I'm assuming that here, where it is, here this is dining area. Okay, so in dining area mostly there is TV. Okay, monitor is used. Okay, all this area. So I'm assuming that in these areas there is 4 or 6 monitor is display. Okay, is used, is installed, 4 or 6. Okay, so I am considering that 4. Okay, so let's check monitor. This is here typical monitor, and manufacturer 1, what is 50. So I am assuming that 4. So how much it will be? 4 into 50, 200. So put here 200 watt. Okay, if detail is provided already, then we can put easily 200. Now next here, let's check people. So what about occupancy? Here in restaurant area, the furniture layout is given here already. So easily we can put as per the furniture layout. See, calculate here. Here, this is sofa. So I'm assuming that it is two people in one sofa. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 10 people. Here I can mention 10 people. Next, where is sofa? Here 4. It means 8. So 8. Now next is table. So one table, 4 chair. So 4 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means 32. Okay. Now next is here. This is the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, 9, 10. So how much? 60 people. So 60 people. Here I can put. Okay, same. Okay, here the mall. Okay, and there is no any miscellaneous. Now save this one, and next is wall, which is very important in this session. Here not use, not use. Make all this one not use first, because this is the reason the Revit is not up to the mark in terms of the heating load calculation. Because see, when I export, they took all the walls as exposure. Okay, now here next is annotation component, the direction. Okay, this is direction north. This is the exposure, right? This is the exposure wall up to here. So here this wall is north, this wall is northwest, and other one is west. This is west side, and the fourth one is a south. All the wall is exposure. So here one is north, other one is northwest. Where is northwest and west and south. Okay, north, northwest, west, south. North, northwest, west, south. Okay, so what about this wall to here? Okay, 16.74, 16.74, right? Multiply 3.55, the ceiling height. So how much? 59.42. Okay, it means 60. I can take 60. Here north is 60, and the wall is this wall is brick wall, like see, basic wall, project wall. Okay, this is the project wall, basic wall. A window quantity, how much? 1, 2. So window quantity is 2, window 1. Okay, and there is no any door and window 2. What about the wall? Wall is same as the project wall, and window 1 is same as the project window. Okay, there is no any window 2. So north is completed. Now northwest, this this is the one. Okay, up to here. So how we will calculate this one? This is curtain wall, see, and curtain wall, the area is, length is 7.854. it means 8, we can take 8. Okay, this one also. If you want to take the dimension, you can take how annotation arc length. Okay, and select the arc. This is the arc, right? And after that, from here up to here, see, same. Okay, so I can take 8. Here you can check 8. This is the up to here. Okay, from here to here. Here to here. Okay, so what I will do, northwest is here 8. Okay, so how we will calculate 8 multiply the ceiling height. So how much? 28.4. the gross area of the wall, 28.4. okay, what about window 1? There is no any window 1. Window 2, no. Door, no. Okay, but here up to here the length is 8 meter. Okay, and all the wall is a curtain wall. So here what I will do, see, the northwest is activated, so wall here I keep it as a project wall. Okay, for time saving. Okay, I keep it project wall, and there is no any window 1. Okay, here this type of window I mention as a window 1. Okay, but this one is the curtain wall, so I have to mention here window 2. Okay, I have to create new one window and make here the curtain wall, curtain window. Okay, and here, and height is same as the ceiling height. I am taking 3.55 meter, and width is I am taking 1 meter. Okay, keep it in your mind that I am taking width is 1 meter. So here the width is 8 meter. So how much window it will be? So width I here consider as a 1 meter. Okay, so all this wall width I will take as a curtain wall. Okay, if you have the U value provided by the manufacturer, then you can put here, otherwise leave it as a default. Okay, so how much width northwest is 8 meter, so I am taking how much window 2 will be 8, because width I am taking 1 meter, so 8 meter is 8 window. Okay, I hope you understand. Now west is west, so come here and from here up to here, how much? 20. Okay, the which direction? West direction, 20. So first I have to provide this 20 multiply by 3.55 as a gross 71. Okay, so 71, and now window 2, how much? The length of the wall is 20. I am taking 20. Okay, So how much will be window 2? 20. Okay, and here the project wall same, there is no any window 2, window 1, and window 2 will be curtain window. Okay, same as above. Okay, now west south direction. So come here, from here, how much? 20, same. Okay, so same thing I have to provide here, 71 and 20 window. Project wall, there is no any window 1, and the window 2 is the curtain window. Okay, so I hope you understand how to mention the curtain wall, okay, inside the Hap. Okay, still if you have doubt, then comment below and I will try to explain again. Okay, so now, okay, next one is the roof. Okay, here roof. So what about the roof? See here, this is the roof. Okay, so roof area will be same. So, this area, okay, will be same as the roof areas. This floor area will be same as the roof areas. Okay, so how much it will be? 331. So 3 same. Okay, it is already taken, and here roof, project roof. Okay, now next is infiltration. So I am taking same 0.2 0.2. From where it comes I already explained in previous session. And what about floor? Floor above condition space, because this is the second floor. And the partition, which is also quite important in this session. Okay, so this all is the partition wall, this. Okay, because this is the kitchen areas, so I am not using here air conditioning, so this wall is considered as a partition window, a partition wall. So how we will calculate? How much? This one, 7. Okay, 7.039 if you want to take to precise. And next one is this one. So how much? 1.683. 1.683 again. This one also I am taking the same, this. Okay, 1.683, 1.683. Now this one, how much? 4.409. Okay, this much. What about 2.282? 2.282. And this one, from here to here, this area I am ignoring, okay, because this is quite small. 5.78, 5.789. So how much? 22.885. okay, and this side is same as this side, is the mirror of this side. Okay, so I'm not calculating this side, I will simply multiply by 2, and it will also calculate this side, and after that from here to here I have to calculate. Okay, 10.4, 10.4, 56.17. so all this area length is 56.17 multiply 3.55 as the ceiling height, so it will be almost 199. okay, so it means 200. okay, so let me put here as a wall partition and 200. okay, U value is the same. Let me check what is the U value. Suppose .3428. okay, also it is same for all the wall. 0.3428. okay, so all the wall is 0. And I forget 0.3428. yeah, 0.3428. 3428 the U value. okay, and 42.1 the temperature, ambient temperature, so 5 degree less, 37.1, and here the less than more, it means 7.8. there is no any ceiling partition, so I leave it and make it okay and save this one. okay, now next one is the lift lobby. Now next one is the lift lobby. So here lift lobby, same floor is 3.55, here 341.8, and this is the common area. So where is the retail main common areas? okay, mall common areas. Internal is the same, I'm considering 50.5, and electrical, there is no electrical. What about this occupancy? So first here, and lift same as the other floor, 11. okay, so 11, let me define here 11. Sedentary work same, and schedule is mall schedule. Zero. All this 0. okay, because there is no any exposure here, this is inside, right? Exposure wall. So 0. Roofs, so there is no any roof. Yes, roof, because this is upper side, so roof I am considering, and project roof. Infiltration same, 0.2, 0.2, 0.25, floor above condition partition. See, this all is the partition. Okay, this all, because here I am not using AC and also elevators are noisy, so all this area will be as a partition. So let me check other, because other floor is same. So partition is 97.1. Okay, so the partition 97.1 and U value 0.69, 97.1. okay, roof I already explained, infiltration, floor, and here 97.1 and 0.696. okay, why? Because see here, if I am selecting here, then 0.6944 U value. okay, this wall is different, 0.694, and what about this one? Same, 37.1, 17.8. okay, and there is no any ceiling partition. This is the wall partition. okay, so I already explained all the spaces from ground floor, first floor and the second floor. I hope you understand, and if you understand and like my hard working to explain you all, then please subscribe and comments and share to others. okay, now next you will see the system. So in next session we will see. okay, I hope you understand. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.